Hi friends, today we'll discuss about cryptocurrency crash. So on 24th November you have seen a big news like crash in cryptocurrency. So today we'll discuss why this was happened. All major cryptocurrencies saw a fall around 15% or more, with Bitcoin down by 17%, others will be 15%, different currencies has fallen like 15, 17, 18%. News as on 24th November 2021. So today we'll discuss what are the reasons for this fall. Crypto market crashed following news. Indian government introducing a bill in parliament prohibit all private cryptocurrencies in India, barring a few exceptions to promote the underlying technology of cryptocurrencies and its uses. So, because of this news, market has fallen 15 to 18%, different currencies. So, what are the 10 facts for this fall? Number 1, already we have discussed, there was a fall of 15 to 18% in different currencies. Number 2, the official document on scheduled house proceedings shown that cryptocurrency under regulations of official digital currency bill 2021 is set to be introduced in the parliament in the upcoming winter session that starts on November 29th. So, Indian government is coming with a bill, regulation of official digital currency bill 2021 during winter session, which is starting from 29th November. The bill will prohibit all private cryptocurrencies in India with certain exceptions, and it expected to be taken up final consideration and passing during the winter session. So all the private cryptocurrencies will be prohibited with certain exceptions. Fourth point, the government says that the Reserve Bank of India will issue its own digital currency. The objective is to create a facilitative framework for certain of the official digital currency to be issued by Reserve Bank of India. Fifth point, security of investors' money and misleading advertisements in the media regarding investment potential and risk have long been a cause of concern. So, with new regulations, you will have a more security of investors' money. Sixth point, the government had held several meetings with all stakeholders to discuss the regulation of digital currencies. Prime Minister Narendra Modi sir has also chaired a high-level meeting with officials from various ministers and RBI on the issue. So, there was a big discussion regarding the regulations. The first ever standing committee of finance and digital currencies, chaired by BJP Jayant Sinha, to discuss opportunities and challenges of cryptocurrency on November 16th, had reached a consensus. The cryptocurrency cannot be stopped but should be regulated. So you can't stop the cryptocurrency, but it can be regulated. How RBI is regulating all the banks, the same way government will put a regulatory authority, they will monitor all the cryptocurrencies. Eighth point, while delivering a keynote address at the Sydney Dialogues on November 18, Prime Minister Narendra Modi sir had urged all countries to ensure the cryptocurrency does not end up in the wrong hands. So, cryptocurrency should not go to the wrong hands. So, it should be regulated. Ninth point, the Reserve Bank of India and Securities Exchange Board of India (SEBI) have also voiced concern about the unregulated growth of cryptocurrency in India. So, the growth is there but unregulated. It should be in regulated growth, keeping